Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fouz Altaf and I'm a senior product manager digital finance. So I'm currently associated with Mizan Bank at this point, and I think it's pretty common knowledge that it's one of the leading banks of Pakistan in terms of Sharia compliant initiatives. So I think we here at Mizan Bank have been very aggressively working on the digital supply chain finance, and today's session was informative in terms of what are the gaps currently in what's happening around in the industry and what's the market trend and how can we excel the digital finance solutions out in the market. So I think we, along with our technology platform providers, Hubble, of course, so these guys and our team has developed a very intuitive solution that can obviously it's a composite of features that can meet the demands of the current modern business. So if I can tell you a few tips about what the key features are. So it's essentially a very clean user interface, simple experience that enables seamless onboarding. Then we have a complete document on management system, and then there's a very quick disbursement process that essentially is, we are claiming to be on an average 3 seconds. And then comes the there's a very flexible rescheduling sort of a repayment module that we have developed, where we have allowed the distributors to they can cherry pick their their repayment schedule within the current prescribed limit. Then from the user experience perspective, it's we have done a couple of POCs and we realized that it's not essentially that we need to draw down the payments from the customer's housed account, which means that's with the bank. So we have essentially integrated the payment system that the guy can essentially pay from any of his other banks. So this is one thing that we have experienced through multiple A/B testings, and I think there's still a long way to go. We are in a very premature industry, and digital is, I guess, the next big thing if you want to scale up financial inclusion as well. And given the fact that the supply chain market is currently contributing to around like 40% of the current GDP, and I think the current 6-7% only it has access to financing. So this is something, I guess it's a very huge playground that we can play in, and I think a lot of banks are reluctant at this point, but I think the larger banks have to jump in and push it forward. So I think this today's session is going to add a lot of value across the industry. Different people were contributing a lot of pain points from their ends. So I think that's all. And thank you so much everyone that has arranged this event. Thank you.